In today's video, I'm going to teach you where to get an eBay gift card and how to activate it. If you're thinking of getting an eBay gift card, you might be pleased to know that there are several easy and convenient ways to purchase one, both online and in-store. First, let's talk about your online options. You can find official eBay gift cards right on their website at ebay.com/giftcards. This is a straightforward option that ensures you're getting a legitimate card directly from eBay. Alternatively, you might want to look into gift card resellers like Raise.com, Card Cash, or Gift Card Granny. These platforms sometimes offer small discounts, which can be a nice perk if you're looking to save a little on your purchase. However, and this is important, always be cautious and ensure you are buying from reputable sources. Avoid potential scams by sticking to trusted platforms only. If you prefer the tangible experience, or perhaps you're buying a gift last minute, physical eBay gift cards are readily available at many major retailers across the US and Canada. You can pick one up while grocery shopping, or even during a quick convenience store run. Check out stores like Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, or Target. Stores such as Best Buy, 7-Eleven, Staples, and Kroger also carry eBay gift cards. And for our friends in Canada, Loblaws is the place to go. Now let's move on to activating your eBay gift card, a process that varies slightly depending on whether you've purchased a digital or physical card. For digital gift cards, you'll be relieved to know that no activation is needed. As soon as you receive your email with the redemption code, you're ready to go. On the other hand, if you're dealing with a physical card obtained in store, these are generally activated automatically at checkout. You'll find the 16-digit redemption code on the back of the card, which you can access by simply scratching off the designated area. Once you've got your gift card ready, redeeming it on eBay is a piece of cake. During checkout, look for the section labeled Gift Cards and Coupons. Here, you'll enter either your 13 or 16-digit code. Then just click Apply and you're all set. The amount on your gift card will be deducted from your total purchase, making checkout smooth and easy. With these tips in mind, you now know exactly where to buy an eBay gift card and how to get it ready for your next purchase. Whether for yourself or as a thoughtful gift for someone else, eBay gift cards are a versatile option to power your shopping choices. Enjoy your seamless shopping experience.